Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to change password on PayPal. This tutorial is for Windows, but the process is same for other devices. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Go to the PayPal website, www.paypal.com, and sign in with your PayPal business account credentials. After logging in, click on the gear-shaped icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will open the Account Settings menu. In the Account Settings menu, click on Security on the left-hand side. This will take you to the Security page, where you can manage your security settings. On the Security page, you will see the Password section. Click on the Edit button next to the Password section. PayPal will ask you to enter your current password to verify your identity. Type in your current password and click Next. In the next step, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Create a strong and unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. It should be a combination of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and special characters. After entering the new password, re-enter it to confirm and make sure there are no typos. Once you've entered and confirmed a new password, click the Change Password button to save the changes. Your PayPal password is now updated. From now on, you'll need to log into your PayPal account using the new password you set. I hope this video was of help.